Are you contemplating divorce? You might be feeling very overwhelmed, anxious, and uncertain about the future. Divorce can be a very complicated and expensive process. There are a long list of considerations that only seem to make it worse. Have you considered child custodial rights, child and spousal support, community property and separate property, residential property, assets and bank accounts, 401k, pension and investments, taxes and debt, not to mention other considerations. For example, if there is a marital agreement in place, feeling overwhelmed? You are not alone. A divorce is difficult and stressful on its own. Why make it any harder? Get the help of friendly professionals whose job it is to secure your rights and look out for your best interests. We meet you in your unique circumstances and work out the most efficient and stress-free solution for you. The majority of divorce cases never need to see the inside of a courtroom. Most may be settled amicably or through mediation. Our divorce services take you through the whole process, from initial filing to final judgment, without ever going inside a courtroom. Whether you've been married 1 year or 50 years, whether there are minor children or not, whether you have complicated property and asset issues, the process can be the same. We operate in a flat fee structure based on your needs. Find out why we are the #1 choice of discerning couples who need a low-cost divorce solution. Call us today. Massian Mediation, 877-721-2699.